The historic SCE Tractor Road, or the Old Edison Road as it's called, was named by the county for a time as the Gooseberry Motorway, and you can still see it named that on official county documents like this map. The Gooseberry Motorway was used as the western boundary, along with the portion of the ridge that goes down to the Altadena Crest Trail. That's more or less a fire break. However, while previous volunteers and explorers had flagged the Gooseberry Motorway from about the water tank, or roughly where the red X is here on the map, to the north and the west, and the historic roadway was evident from the red X down, was completely lost in heavy undergrowth. So recently there's been an effort to find and restore this lower part of the historic roadbed. A few weekends ago I took the flying camera over there. I had some terrific light on the Saturday, some beautiful clouds. So the first couple shots here are just documenting the canyon itself. You can see Eaton Creek here. Here we're just drifting southward, approaching the ridge where the power lines are installed, and we're going to turn right just before the power lines, which is a westward turn. These shots come from 2 different days. One was really beautiful for the contrasting clouds, and the other one was great for the low angle light. Look for the heavily overgrown but deep, distinct road cuts, which is very evident in this light. Coming up is another section where you can see very distinct cut, and then it leads to a big switchback. So now we're turning around and heading back down the ridge. Here's me starting to move through part of the cleared brush at the very start of about where the red X is on the map. And now moving out onto the first turn of the switchback. And I paused there to pilot the camera down following the road. There's a kind of backing up again, another shot from starting at the switchback, heading down the obvious road cut here. And here's the second big shelf down a little lower. This lower shelf, which is distinct right here, this is the one that we mainly worked on brushing the weekend that we were doing the filming. So there you can see Katie in the blue shirt. She's clearing brush and throwing stuff down the hill, and I'm up the hill a little bit, up the trail a little bit further from her, piloting the drone from there. Of course, as soon as the drone goes in the air, everybody gets fascinated with the drone, so here we both are staring at the drone. I managed to get the camera to turn as I moved around the corner here and get a really good shot of the shelf cut there. Super clear. This shot came out pretty well, but I actually flipped the direction in editing, so the original, the camera was flying the opposite direction, and this is running backwards. Having the drone fly in close quarters at you pretty fast is a bit thrilling, a little freaky. Here we need to move back because we're standing on the flat spot to land on, so move back, bring the drone forward. And land it.